This is a steal of a deal. It just feels like happiness and joy and everything that's right in the world. We are children. It fits a lot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike and I'm a fashion freak, a girl, geek, a luxury lover, shopaholic, chic, and Hermès. And today we're going to be talking about this mini Evelyne. But I'm going to talk about what I like, what I don't like, wear, tear, all those kind of things. So if that's me, you're interested, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, so I keep the little bubble thing in it and I keep the strap in its bag. But let's just talk about the bag. So it's so fun. It's like such a pop of color. This is the Evelyne 16 TPM in the color lime. I got it in August 2022. It has the little poofy thing. It's really just one big compartment with a thing. It doesn't have the extra pocket that the other sizes have. So it's just kind of this size. It's big enough for your phone, your wallet, your keys, some lotions. It can fit a lot. I mean, I've stuffed this with like phone, wallet, keys, lotions, tea, like different car key, energy drinks. I mean, it's very versatile, I think. I mean, it feels so casual, kind of just sit like that. You're actually still wear it this way with the H kind of in because of what its roots or whatever. But like, it's so easy. It can only wear a crossbody unless you're like literally holding it like this, like a clutch. I guess you could, but it really is only worn crossbody with the strap. So you kind of wear a crossbody, or you can wear it here, or you can kind of like hold it by the, but yeah, you could change the strap up. So I've put this strap on it before and you can kind of hold it like kind of down here like this, like hold the strap and it kind of hangs right there and then it's kind of a look. But yeah, it like can, it can stretch to fit. The bottom is kind of structured, but like it can fit a lot more. You're obviously gonna bend the leather. It's a suede interior, so it's super soft. I would get a bag organizer just to protect the inside as much as you can. Never hurts. I mean, little trick of the trade, you could even like take this as your bag, like as your bag insert for now. If you don't want to, and just kind of like stick it in. Of course, then if you get the dirty inside of this dirty, then don't put the bag back in it because then obviously that, whatever that dirty was. So just check it. We'll get on the outside of the bag. So, but you could like kind of literally stuff it in like that. And then you have like a little bag inside the bag. As long as you kind of keep it low, you can't really see it. I mean, you don't see it at all, actually. See? Don't see it. And then you can stuff it with all the stuff you want to stuff inside. But it easily fits an iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14. It'll fit your wallet, your keys, and then there'll still be some room for other things. Not like a big water bottle. Obviously can't fit like a big iPad or computer, but like perfect on the go day bag. I've seen so many people with this. I want it in the black or the gray. I want like more everyday colors. This is such a pop of color and it's such a summer color. And like I feel like I'm done with this now because I can't really wear it right now. I wore it last week on my friend's birthday on a yacht. I know, fancy, right? Oh, let's have a picture here. But that was the last time I wore it, and I think that it's the last time I'm gonna wear it for a while, just cause. But like, no wear, no tear. It's like in perfect condition. It's Clémence. It's sturdy. It's thicker. It feels so soft. You guys, Clémence leather. I don't know what about it. It just feels so soft. You guys, it just feels. I could just feel this all day. I could just hold it. It feels so soft. It feels so soft. It's my baby. This is my baby. This is my baby. She's my baby. Is my children. They are children. Okay. Because it just feels so soft. Like I just love it. It just feels like happiness and joy and everything that's right in the world. That's what this feels like. It smells so good. Ugh. Has no wear, no tear. I will keep you updated, but it's literally like the perfect bag. It's so hands-free. It's hands-free. It's easy to use. Just has that, like, you can get in and out of it really quickly. You can leave it open. I feel a lot of people wear it open kind of like this, and eventually this will start like staying like that because you just leave it open. It says Hermès made in France there, and then the little code for its like, serial number or whatever is on this side. That's about it. Like, it doesn't really check the lining here and how it feels. I mean, the stitches are strong. It's great. It's a beautiful color. There's literally no corner wear. I mean, I don't put it down. I'm not gonna put it down. It's wearing it or I'm holding it. And if I put it down, I put it down this way so that the corners don't get worn as much. Yeah, it's super simple. So hard to get, so popular. Like this is a steal of a deal. It's $1,900 in the US plus tax, like 2,000 something for this beauty, huh? It's very nice. It's reselling for like $3,800, $3,900, so that's like crazy. You guys, it's so nice. Strap is a wool strap. It's a wool strap. It's a basic, simple, plain wool strap in the same color. And it says Hermès made in France on this one. It gets its own dust bag. I mean, you guys, this is just effortlessly cool. Effortlessly. Well, you could wear it like this. If you wanted to, you could really just hold it like this too. If you wanted to hold it like this, you could hold it like this. Look, I just created a way of holding it as a ring. As a finger. Wouldn't fit in here, but here. Like that. Maybe I'll start wearing it like this and see what happens as a style. These H's are perfectly hold. There's no, like, literally, you guys, this is just so easy. It fits a lot more than you think. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. Please slash that like button. If you enjoyed this video, please share with your friends and family. If you heard it, share it with your enemies. And next, I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Bye.